Nigerians, be careful. It has come to the red point. Muhammadu Buhari is willing to destroy the lives of Nigeria now. Guess what is happening? Muhammadu Buhari and the team of the APC and the Miati Allah Kabas, they have come together to sponsor bag of rice into families. Those bag of rice are full of poisons. They are full of poisons. They are giving women wrapper. Those wrappers are fake. They are fake. They will not last you 2 months or 3 months. They will wash off. Those wrappers are fake. They are sharing some kind of items. Those items are full of poisons. They want people to die. When people die, Muhammadu Buhari will hold that as an opportunity to now change this election or cancel this election. They are looking for all means to cancel this election. Please, Nigerians, don't vote Muhammadu Buhari. Run away from their gift. Now, they are going house to house. I'm encouraging every youth, stand out in your streets. Anybody that come to price your PVC for 5,000 for APC, beat them up. Anybody that come to price your PVC, be your local government chairman, be the traditional rulers, be the pastor, be a imam, be anybody that come to price your PVC, shame that person. Nigerians, until we start to do the things right, we cannot make this country a better place. This work need everybody. Me and you, we go do this work together. Let us come to this truth. Don't vote Muhammadu Buhari. Don't vote APC. They have plan. They have plan, and they will kill more lives. They have killed in the past 4 years. They are still ready to kill. Now, who don't they kill person? Go the kill, they go. That is APC for you. They say the next level. If you suffer in the first level, the next level will be more harder. Don't go to the next level with APC. They will kill you more. I am begging on Nigerians, please. Atiku is not the best candidate. Atiku is not good. Atiku is not what Nigerian people want. But we are saying, let us be reasonable. Atiku is the choice. Is the choice for now. Let us be wise. If we say vote Sowore, APC will rubbish the strength of Sowore. If we say vote Mogulu, APC will rubbish the strength of Mogulu. If we say vote for all these young people party, we will still make the same mistake we make to bring Muhammadu Buhari. Let us be careful. Let us do things right. For the now, forget about all these young people party. Let us for now save this country. Let all Nigerians come together. Vote Atiku Abubakar. Save this country first. Then the people of Nigeria, we will have the chance to re-strategize. We will have the chance to come together and have the second plan. We shall follow Atiku Abubakar, bomber to bomber. We shall checkmate him and make sure things go right in Nigeria. Please, I am begging all Nigerians, let us do things right. If you have not joined Nigeria Rise Initiative, join Nigeria Rise Initiative now. Join us with this number, +601 135 483 733. Join us on our platform where you will meet millions of Nigerians are discussing on our platforms on WhatsApp. Join us, my brothers and sisters. You can contribute. People are hearing from you. My brother, we have come to the place where everybody needs to talk. God bless those of you who are talking. God bless those of you who have joined us. God bless those of you who are already working with us. We are sending men underground. We are sending people reaching the grassroots with the right message. Because APC is out to destroy Nigerians. Let us wake up. Don't take no for an answer, Nigerians. If Muhammadu Buhari win, for me, I prefer we engage ourselves in war. We know we fight to die than Muhammadu Buhari to win. Where there is war in Nigeria, you don't know there is war, yet people are dying. A place where one cow will die, one community will finish. We don't want it. Please, let us wake up. There is one thing Goodluck Jonathan said. Goodluck Jonathan said, a single soul of Nigerian citizen is bigger and better than the seat of the president for him. And that is the kind of person we are looking for. That is the kind of mind we are looking for. Somebody who knows the value of Nigerian people. Not a government who say, one cow will die, One community finish, they prefer the life of cow. Please, let us change the change. And God bless all Nigerians. My name still remains Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. Join us, build a better Nigeria. A Nigeria we all can be proud of. God bless you.